Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, one of the things that I get asked from time to time, even though it had calmed down, I have two questions today concerning Windows 12. So, is Windows 12 still a thing? That's one of the questions. The other one is, okay, well, I'm keeping Windows 10 until end of support, and then maybe pay for the extended support for 1 year, which means that it gives you 2 years from now to keep Windows 10. Is it a good idea? Could I be getting a laptop with Windows 12? Are there any chances? So, in the first question, is Windows 12 still a thing? We have no idea what exactly is happening with Windows 12. And we do think it is something that's going to happen at some point. Now, I don't think next year we'll be going into Windows 12. I think next year we're still going to be, Microsoft's going to consolidate its Windows 11 hold with the market share getting higher and higher. And what's going to happen is we're probably going to surf towards 25H2 or the Windows 11 2025 update. That's where things are maybe going to start getting interesting, and that we might start getting some news about something else. We call it Windows 12 once again, but it doesn't mean it's going to be called Windows 12. If you are taking the, I'm going to pay for the extended support for another year in the hope that it brings me to that year when I might be able to buy a Windows 12 PC. Well, in 2 years, we're going to be, in 2026. And I think the chances of some new Windows for 2025, mostly 2026, are getting much higher. So it's not impossible that if you take that gamble, yeah, it might work. It might be a gamble worth checking out. Regardless of Windows 12 coming out or not, I think one of the ideas here is if you are on an unsupported machine and take the extended support to have 2 years of your PC before you buy a new PC, you will have given technology to advance 2 more years where possibly, according to Canalys, 2025, a lot of PCs will have AI chips and NPUs. And in 2026, there's a good chance that most PCs will come with NPUs. Prices will go down on all of these machines because that will now be more of a standard thing. So regardless of a new Windows or not, if you take that 2 years, you'll be getting a much more advanced PC when you buy one 2 years from now. So that gamble is also worth possibly to wait. But whatever happens, we have no clue. There's zero news about the next Windows right now. And all counts right now are for Windows 11 having 25H2 next year, and Microsoft working hard with its recall and Copilot and Windows Intelligence, as they'll call it. But within 2 years, a new Windows, there's a good chance that it could be a new Windows. Absolutely. Especially since Windows 10 will have been now removed as an official operating system. And in 2 years from now, Windows 10 will probably have a very small market share at that point. So, yeah, maybe it's a good idea to wait. And is Windows 12 still a thing? I think there will be a new version of Windows, but who knows when. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.